Hey guys, it's MacLab. We're in the Iga or Iga? I don't know how to say it. I just think of Iga Prefecture. But we're here in the supermarket in Banff in Canada. And look at Filipino snacks. That's how you know there's a lot of Filipinos in Canada. So that was a B-roll of the Three Ravens. We headed up there, but the buffet is closed. So, and they suggested we should go to the bistro because it kind of looks like we're not dressed for the fine dining section of Three Ravens. But we did want to go to Three Ravens because it has a really nice view of the mountains over here. But we're gonna go to the MacLab Bistro right now. Hey, it's maakudesuyo, and we're here in MacLab Bistro in Banff. I just ordered the Alberta Elk Burger with a side of sweet potato fries. Let's try it. That's pretty good. It's crispy, but it's like soft and mushy inside and slightly salty. Perfect balance. Elk Burger has pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, and a slice of bacon, some sauteed onions, and the elk patty. Let's try it out. We're gonna fork and knife it because, you know, it's the life. Totally massacred it. I don't know how to use a fork and knife, so I'm just gonna grab this. Just the elk. I like it. It's got like a bit of gamey flavor, but I was expecting more of a gamey flavor, but it doesn't have that much of it. So you might end up thinking it's beef if you were fed this and you didn't know what it was. It's perfectly cooked. It's not like too raw or anything. And the bun is like really soft and kind of like brioche type. It's really soft. Overall, really awesome. You should try it. Okay, now I'm gonna try the bison. So I have like these carnivores like next to me, and they're like really wanting to eat it, but I'm like eating it really slowly so they don't eat it. AKA my dad. This is the bison one. I'm just gonna eat half of it. I mean like the other half, like without the other bun. Get a manageable size into my mouth. It's almost the exact same setup as the Elk Burger, but it's just the bison patty.
How's everything tasting?
So this one is so close to beef that it's really just like you're eating beef. There's no like gamey flavor. I would suggest like it is a good burger, but I would suggest the Elk Burger because it has a more unique taste. Let's try the fries for this one. Your regular fries. It's still pretty good. Now we're gonna try the flatbread that has been ripped to pieces already. Alright, now we're gonna be trying the mushroom something. The mushroom pizza or mushroom flatbread. Alright. It's got some arugula or rocket. It's cheese because it's pizza, some onions, and oh, truffle oil. It has truffle oil because I can really smell it right now. I'm loving the truffle oil on that. And then the arugula is just like just right amount. Oh, it's all blending together perfectly. Like the taste of the wild mushrooms. They're like local mushrooms. And then the arugula, and then a little bit of that truffle oil, and a bit of these red peppers. Ah, so good. bread that they use. It's kind of like this really, really light focaccia type bread. Super delicious. It's just thin enough, but not too thin. It's got like the right amount of thickness to give you a little bit of softness underneath that flatbread, right? Ah, it's delicious. Alright, we're moving on to eating all of this. Hey, now we're back for dessert. And now we're going to be trying caramelized banana bread with ice cream right here, which is this vanilla looking thing that is so smooth. It's melting already. Kind of an old-fashioned vanilla taste. I don't know what that means for you guys. And let's taste this banana bread with caramelized whatnots. Really soft. It's kind of got like this rum raisin tasting thing in it. And then you got a little bit of these like crumbly things. Got a bit of crunch. With the banana bread. With the ice cream. Perfect combination right there. Definitely, you gotta get this for dessert. What about the cheesecake? Now we're trying the MacLab brownie cheesecake. Because this is the last one, I've been forgetting it the whole time. Itadakimasu. So brownie cheesecake, you got like the brownie in the bottom here. And the cheesecake on top. It's got like this, don't know what that is around it. Alright. Try it in one go. It's got a stronger brownie taste to it. You've got like this strawberry type sauce around it. Yeah, it tastes more of a brownie when you mix it together. The cheesecake is a little bit lighter. Banana bread wins. This is still good. This is still good though. If you like both brownies and cheesecakes together. Get the combination. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Johnny.